Hi class, and in this video we're going to review comparing numbers and decimals in fifth grade. Uh, Now when we're comparing numbers and decimals in fifth grade, there's two things we have to do. Okay, the first thing we have to do is recognize our place value and decimals, and then line up the numbers on top of each other by that. Okay, so here, right, if I rewrite my first number on top of my other number, okay, this is how I will line up my numbers by place value. Okay. So I lined it up by the ones, tenths, hundreds, thousands. Now the second step will be to compare each place value starting with the greatest one. So in this example, right, my ones place would be the greatest place value, right? So, right, I will compare these two. Okay, my 88, they're equal to each other. So I'm gonna have to move on to my next place value to my right. So here I compare my tenths place. Okay, here I see that 4 is greater than 1, right? So this number, okay, is greater than this number here, right? So 8 and 432 thousandths is greater than 8 and 123 thousandths. Okay. We'll do another example here. So here I would do 7 and 62 hundredths. And here I can do 7 and 624 thousandths. So again, I'm going to go ahead and line up my numbers on top of each other. So here's 7 and 62 hundredths. I'm going to write 7 and 624 thousandths under that. Okay, so that's my first step. I'm going to go and do my second step here. I'm going to compare each place value, start at the ones. Okay, so 7 is equal to 7. I'm going to move on to my tenths, right? 6 is equal to 6. I'm going to move on to my hundredths. 2 is equal to 2. Okay, now here I don't have a digit on top of my 4. So I'm going to go ahead and put a 0 here, just kind of like as a placeholder. Well, if I compare my thousandths place, right, 4 is greater than 0. So this number here will be greater than this one. So the way I will write the symbol between these two is 7 and 62 hundredths is less than, okay, 7 and 624 thousandths.